Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to download a booking receipt in Hostinger Website Builder appointments system. This is a website built using Hostinger Website Builder, and for a previous tutorial, I've placed a booking on this online store. And in this video, I will share with you how to download this booking receipt. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and to locate this exact website, let's search using the website URL. This is it. Click on Manage Store next to your website in order to go straight to the store management area. Now go to Orders. Click on the order you want to download the receipt for. Let's say that this is it. From this order details page, click on More Actions and select Download Receipt. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. As you can see, it was downloaded automatically. Click on it. And this is how to download a booking receipt in Hostinger Website Builder appointment system. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.